Morning students, class 10th chemistry chapter 2 part 4. Bond formed between metal and non-metal are ionic or electrovalent. So electrovalent bond formed between metal and non-metal. Why are ionic compounds stable? This is an important question. Ionic compounds are formed by ions, but there also exists a repulsive force formed between the ions for like charges. Since the electrostatic force of attraction between opposite charge is much higher, it makes the ionic compound stable. So reason why ionic compound are more stable? In short, the answer is that there is a bond formed between the opposite charge, and opposite charge there is a larger electrostatic force of attraction. So ionic compounds are stable. Here see the examples. Example of electrovalent or ionic compounds. Sodium chloride, that is NaCl, magnesium chloride, MgCl2, calcium oxide, CaO, potassium bromide, KBr, calcium chloride, CaCl2. Here, see the next point. Structure of some electrovalent compounds. First, we will see the example of sodium chloride, that is a common salt. The electronic configuration of sodium atom is 281. It has one electron in excess of the stable electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas, neon 28. So which is the nearest noble gas? Neon is the nearest noble gas whose electronic configuration is 28. Therefore, an atom of sodium shows a tendency to give up an electron from its outermost shell, so as to acquire a stable electronic configuration of neon. See the example. Sodium removing its one electron, forming a charge sodium positive, that is a +1. First, the electronic configuration was 281. Then after removing this electron, its configuration became 28. First it was atom, then it converted into a ion called as a positive charge ion called cation. However, after giving up a one electron, the sodium atom is no more electrically neutral. It has 11 protons in its nucleus, but only 10 electrons revolving around it. Therefore, it has a net positive charge +1. This positively charged atom is called sodium ion and is written as Na+1, and its electronic configuration resembles that of the noble gas neon. Here, number of proton remain 11, but electron, now it's contain a 10 electron. One electron is removed from the outermost shell, so 11 proton is there and 10 electron is there, and its charge is Na sodium +1, or you can say Na+1. See the table. If you are comparing the properties of the sodium atom and the sodium ion, see here, properties, color, the atom is having a silver color, whereas the ion is colorless. Toxicity, sodium atom is poisonous, while the sodium ion is non-poisonous. Chemical action, atom is very active, whereas sodium ion is inactive. Now the reason comes why the ion become inactive. So this is a question for your homework. Valence shell, sodium atom, incomplete outermost shell. Sodium, see, complete outermost shell. So now you are getting a clue of your answer. Property, electrical state, it is sodium atom is neutral, while the sodium ion is a positively charged ion. Property, last property, existence, atom is combined in a combined state. whereas the atom is independent existing state.